Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Venu tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu. So this can be useful if you want to conserve the battery life by turning off the heart rate monitor, or maybe for some reason your heart rate monitor has turned off accidentally and you just want to turn it back on. So the first thing we need to do to change the settings for a heart rate monitor is to open up the menu, and we do that by holding down the bottom right button down here for just a second or two. Once the menu opens up, scroll down until we see the gear, select the gear, and then in the settings, scroll down until you see wrist heart rate. So we'll select wrist heart rate, and then in here we have several options, and I'll go through all of those. So first, status. As you can see, it's on auto, and that means that the heart rate monitor is currently on. If I toggle that off, it'll first warn me that that's going to turn off a lot of the features on the watch, including the heart rate monitor, body battery, stress, respiration, and then pulse ox as well. So if I turn that off, none of those things will work anymore. But if that's what you want to do, you can do that. And then once you see status is off, your heart rate monitor is off and it will no longer turn on. That also includes during activities. Now to turn it back on, all you need to do is toggle that back on, and then it will be on automatically and start detecting your heart rate. Now in these settings, there are several different things here. So the first menu item is abnormal HR alert, and this will alert you if it detects that your heart rate is going above 100 beats per minute while you're just sitting still. So if I turn that on and my heart rate were to do that, it would alert me on the screen that it is detecting that something might be wrong, so I can look into it if I want to. Now keep in mind, you can also change the threshold by just selecting it and then entering the custom amount that you want to have in there. Next, in the wrist heart rate options, we have broadcast inactivity, and this will broadcast your live heart rate during an activity to the Garmin Connect app, and that'll then upload it to Garmin, so you would have your live heart rate on Garmin. This could be useful if you're in a race or something like that, but this is where you would turn that on or off, and this will affect your battery life drastically. And next we have broadcast, and this is where you can manually start broadcasting your heart rate just by selecting broadcast. It's going to tell you it's going to drastically reduce your battery life, and then select the green button right there, and it'll start broadcasting your heart rate live to the Garmin Connect app. All right, after that we have pulse ox, and this is where you can turn on or off pulse ox on your Garmin Venu. Now pulse ox is where the watch will try to get a blood oxygen level reading from the heart rate monitor back here. It'll turn on some red LEDs from these little dark spots right there, and usually it works best at night because you have to be sitting still. So you just go into it and select tracking mode. You can have it do all day, and that'll try to do it while you're sitting still during the day, but I recommend doing during sleep just because it gets the best reading. Now, I'm not sure how accurate pulse ox is. I recommend giving it a shot, but it will lower your battery life on the Garmin Venu. All right, so that's how you turn on or off the wrist heart rate on your Garmin Venu. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Venu tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.